Hey there fellow coders, welcome back to another episode on Code Master Quiz. Today we've got a fun task to solve, the problem of running some of one-dimensional array. So grab a drink and let's get started. Here's the problem statement, but before starting talking about the description of this problem, let me mention that we already solved this question in Swift, right? So if you are interested in the Swift solution, please check out the link in the description below. Now let's look at the problem. Given an array nodes, we define a running sum of an array as this equation. Running sum for index I is a summation over the elements in the array from index 0 until index I, right? And then we should return the running sum of the nodes. So if we got an example like this one, 1, 2, 3, and 4 as the input, we should return this array because for the first element, we are making the summation over just one element, which is 1. But for the second one, we should make summation over 1 and 2, which is equal to 3, and same thing for other indexes. So let's get back to the Visual Studio Code and try to solve this problem in Python. As the first step, let's bring the function signature from LeetCode. Okay, change the browser, make a copy, come back to the Visual Studio Code and paste it just right here. Now I want to define two variables. One variable to store the running sum and another one to store the current sum. So let's say running sum, which is going to be the return value from this function. It's going to be an empty array. Then current sum to store the current sum at each step, which is equal to 0. Now let's make a for loop over the elements inside the input array. So let's say for num in nums, then I want to add this num to the current sum. So let's say current sum plus equal to num, and then let's add the current sum to the running sum. So let's say running sum append current sum, and at the end I'm going to return the running sum from this function. So let's say return running sum. Okay, now if you want to fix this issue for the list, you can import the list from typing library. From typing import list. Perfect. Now to make sure that our solution is correct, let's try to submit this solution to LeetCode. Make a copy and change to the browser and paste it just right here. Now let's hit the submit button, and there we go. Here's the solution for this question. Thank you everyone.